She dash submit the report before 5 p.m. Option B, must, she must submit the report before 5 p.m. I dash like to have a cup of coffee. Option A, would, I would like to have a cup of coffee. Students dash not carry mobile phones to the exam hall. Option D, must, students must not carry mobile phones to the exam hall. You dash not worry about the results. Option A, need, you need not worry about the results. He dash always bring gifts when he visited. Option C, would, he would always bring gifts when he visited. They dash visit US next week. Option B, may, they may visit US next week. You dash improve your English with practice. Option A, can, you can improve your English with practice. Dash you please open the window? Option C, could you please open the window? He dash be at the library right now. Option D, might, he might be at the library right now. You dash apologize for your mistake. Option B, ought to, you ought to apologize for your mistake. He dash speak 3 languages fluently. Option A, can, he can speak 3 languages fluently. We dash overcome this difficulty together. Option D, can, we can overcome this difficulty together. It dash rain later in the evening. Option A, might, it might rain later in the evening. She dash not have spoken to her teacher like that. Option C, should, she should not have spoken to her teacher like that. Dash I borrow your pen for a moment? Option D, may I borrow your pen for a moment? You dash be tired after such a long journey. Option A, must, you must be tired after such a long journey. He dash not listen to anyone's advice. Option B, would, he would not listen to anyone's advice. They dash not come to the party tonight. Option C, might, they might not come to the party tonight. You dash have told me the truth earlier. Option A, should, you should have told me the truth earlier. I dash have helped you if you had asked. Option B, could, I could have helped you if you had asked.